I don't know how to use ovulation prediction kits. I don't know how to dictate when I'm ovulating. How do I know if I am ovulating? Please, can you make a video on how to use OPK, alias Ovulation Prediction Kit? Welcome to Tochi Fertility Channel. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate live how to use OPK, Ovulation Prediction Kit. If you don't know how to dictate your ovulation, or you don't know the particular day that you are going to ovulate, please watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you don't know how to read the results, some people do not know when it's positive and when it's negative. After conducting this test in your circle and you didn't see a positive line, it simply means that you are not ovulating. Your ovaries are not releasing egg, which means you will not be pregnant. Any month that you did not menstruate, you did not ovulate, there is nothing like pregnancy that month, because ovulation must occur for pregnancy to take place. What does it mean? Your ovary must release an egg. There must be egg so that the sperm will fertilize the egg and conception will start. So I'm going to show you two different ovulation prediction kits, anyone that you can afford, but I always like this brand coming from Clear Blue. It's in my bio. If you want to buy Clear Blue, this is 99%. I cannot give it 100% accurate. It's 99% accurate. I have the link in my bio. If you are watching from Facebook, it's in my bio, TikTok bio, and YouTube on the description. You will see the link. Please click and buy. I will encourage you to use this one. So another one that I'm going to use is this. This is the cheap ones. This one is online. It's in Amazon. You can see it in Amazon. Even when you click the link of Clear Blue, you will see varieties of OPK. Buy any one that you can afford, but please, sometimes this cheap one, disclaimer, this is not an advertisement. Facebook, YouTube, or any platform this video will be appearing. This is what I bought. I use it to teach my followers. So anyone that you can afford, but this one sometimes might not give you accurate results. I cannot lie to you people, this one. But if you want to get the accurate result, always try to use Clear Blue. It's expensive, but it's worth it. I can tell you, these ones, if you have like 28-day cycle, you can start using this one on the cycle day 11. So when you get to 13, then you switch over to this. This one is I think 20 inside, 20 ovulation prediction kits inside. So at the cycle day 30, you can switch over to this to get the accurate result. Actually, this one particular one is for pregnancy. The one of ovulation is in my bio. Click there, you will see it. So this is how the test looks like. Let me explain before I dive into demonstration. What does this mean? What is the essence of even using OPK? For most of us, nobody knows the exact time, day that ovulation is supposed to occur. So this is, like you can see, it is written here, LH. This LH means LH or luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone is the hormone that triggers ovulation, which means when your body is ready to release an egg, this hormone, this thing would dictate it. So that is why I said after doing this test and you did see a positive line, it means that you are not ovulating. You should go and visit your physician, healthcare provider, or your fertility doctor. So this thing, like this one now, they have LH ovulation test stripe, and also they have HCG pregnancy test stripe. They put like a pregnancy because they believe that after using this you will be pregnant. So they put pregnancy stripe here so that you can use to test. That is when you see a positive line. And this one is 50 inside, 50 ovulation kits and 20 pregnancy tests. But this one is only ovulation kit. So I believe you guys are getting me. Do not say I'm talking too much. I'm trying to explain so that people will understand. Everybody do not have the same knowledge. Some people understand fast, some people you need to explain more. So this thing, this LH, is the hormone that triggers ovulation. So when you do this test, it's not positive, it means that your ovaries are not releasing an egg and there is problem. So now let's get into it. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. If you want to do this thing, please use your 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock urine. And besides, this test I'm doing right now, I am not ovulating because I am under a pill. I just put to bed. I just wanted to demonstrate it. It might not be positive because I am not ovulating. Get me? So this is how this one looks like. I'm not going to waste the clear blue. This is how this one looks like. So what you need to do, you cover it. Like I said before, use your 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock urine. Please do not use your early urine. This is not a pregnancy test. You conduct pregnancy test with your first urine in the morning. This is LH test. You have to do it between 10 to 11, and you must not take any fluid. For people who are under medication, if you want to do this test, please don't take any fluid, don't drink water until after this test. You can do it. So I have removed the test from this the packet. This is my pee, my urine. This is my urine, 10 o'clock urine. So it's exactly after 10:30 now. So what I'm going to do you see in this place? I don't know if you people can see me. You turn it like this. You see here, you put it into your urine. You count 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You bring it out. Clean a place. Make sure that the place you will lay this thing is very clean. Then you lay it. Within 2 to 3 minutes, it will show the results. So if you don't know how to calculate your ovulation, if you don't know the exact day that you're supposed to ovulate, this thing is very, very important. I can even say that nobody can say that this is the day ovulation will happen, because ovulation is tricky. It's very, very tricky. So how to catch that ovulation, how to know the day that you are likely going to ovulate, you must use this. And people who are under hormonal drugs, people who are taking hormonal drugs like progesterone medication, if you conduct this test, it will show you positive. It will show you positive. You are taking hormonal drugs. So what you need to do is this. What you need to do is this. Before you can do this test, you have to go out of that medication that you are taking. Even if you do pregnancy test, it will show you positive because you are taking, because you are under hormonal drugs. So we are waiting for the test to read the result. This is very, very important for every woman that is trying to conceive. Make sure you have this. Some people will ask me, where can I buy it? If you go to any pharmacist, if you go to any stores, for those abroad in America, they sell it in stores. You can buy it online. It mustn't be this one, because people will come and be asking me, what is the name? I am interested. How can I buy it? Anything I'm displaying here, I am not selling. I am using it to teach, please. And I am not advertising for any company. So this is the one I used before I become pregnant. This thing can help you to dictate the real day that your ovaries are ready to release an egg. So now it's about 5 minutes. Let's check it. So you can see now how many lines are you seeing. The other one is faint. So this one is control and this one is test line. I'm not seeing it clearly. So when you see the line like this, this means negative, because the two lines are not clear. But when it is positive, like this is another ovulation kit. These are the ones that I used before I become pregnant. So you can see the two lines now. I hope you guys can see. Let me turn it the other way around. You can see the two lines, the control line and the test line, they are positive. If you see them like this, you know that you are ovulating. And you are ovulating. And when you see them like this, doesn't mean that you have released when you see them like this, doesn't mean that ovulation have taken place. It means that it's going to take place between 12 to 36 hours after this test. For example, if I do it today, for example, as I did this test today, if it is like this, which means I am going to be ovulating tomorrow or next tomorrow, 12 to 48 hours after this test. I believe you guys understand me. Do not take water, anything liquid, before conducting this test. If you are under hormonal drugs, please try to stop before you do this test. And also try and buy clear blue. This is 99% accurate, because sometimes if you use this one, you might not be ovulating. This one will be showing you that you are ovulating. So if you want to be really sure and clear, use this clear blue like the name applies. So thank you so much. If you like what I'm doing in this platform, follow my page, share my videos, like my page, subscribe to my page, and God will bless you. Bye bye.